Sarvam AI just released Bulbul V3 for text to speech and a brand new speech to text model. And here's the kicker, both of them support streaming. Now, if you've worked with voice agents, you know how big of a deal that is. Hello and welcome. I'm Pranjal, and today I'm going to show you how we tested both of these models by integrating them into our voice agents and what we found. Let's get into it. At CodeDeep AI, we've been building voice-to-voice agents for a while now. Real-time conversations, not the kind where you speak, wait for 5 seconds, and then you get a robotic reply. Actual fluid, back and forth voice agents. And the biggest bottleneck we kept hitting? Language. We were mostly confined to English because frankly, there was no reliable Hindi TTS or STT that was fast enough and good enough for the production use. So when Sarvam dropped their API, we were genuinely excited. This could be the missing piece, we thought. Now let me quickly explain why streaming matters so much here. With traditional TTS, you send full block of text, model processes it, and then you get the complete audio back. That's a lot of waiting. With streaming TTS, you pass text as it's being generated, token by token, and the model starts converting it into audio in real time. It doesn't wait for full sentence to finish. Same thing on STT side. You send audio as it's being spoken and you get transcribed text in the real time. No waiting for person to stop talking. This reduces latency dramatically. And for the voice-to-voice agents, latency is everything. Even 1 second delay can break the conversational flow. So here is what we did. We took both models and integrated them into our voice agent Lilly, plugged in Sarvam's models and ran the series of conversations, mostly Hindi, Hinglish, and English, to see how they hold up. And here is what we found. First, the TTS is really impressive. The Hindi audio quality is clean, and more importantly, the Hinglish output, where you have Hindi sentences with English words mixed in, sounds surprisingly natural. That's usually where most models fall apart, but Sarvam handles it well. We also tried multiple speaker voices, and most of them sounded solid and distinct. On the STT side, it's good, but based on our initial experiments, there is some room for improvement. We noticed that at times, certain words or phrases weren't transcribed accurately, but honestly, we need to run more tests before making the final call on that. What I can say is, even with those small gaps, this is undoubtedly the best Hindi STT we've seen in the market right now. And the thing that impressed us most, we were able to seamlessly switch between Hindi and English mid-conversation. That's bilingual flow that actually worked. All right, so let me show you a quick demo we ran with Lilly. A couple of things to note. There is still some latency in this test. This was a raw first integration, no optimizations, no tricks. And what you're about to see is completely real time. No edits, no speedups. With some tuning, we are confident that the latency comes down significantly. Let's take a look.
हेलो, कैसे हो आप?
नमस्ते, मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। आप कैसे हैं?
मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ, तुम्हारी आवाज़ तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है।
धन्यवाद। आपकी तारीफ का बहुत धन्यवाद। आपको और क्या पसंद है?
मुझे और बहुत कुछ पसंद है, लेकिन फ़िलहाल तो तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत पसंद आ रही है।
ये जानकर खुशी हुई। क्या आप और कुछ साझा करना चाहेंगे?
मैं समझना चाहता हूँ कि क्या तुम इंग्लिश भी बोल सकते हो या केवल हिंदी में ही बात करते हो?
मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों बात कर सकता हूँ। आपको किस भाषा में बात करनी है?
चलो, लेट्स टॉक इन इंग्लिश फॉर अ बिट।
Sure. What would you like to talk about?
Suggest some interesting topics that you would like to discuss with me.
How about discussing technology trends, travel destinations, book recommendations, or cultural differences.
Travel destinations seems interesting to me. What do you think?
That sounds great. Do you have a specific destination in mind?
Oh, I recently traveled to Goa, so I can talk about that. But if you have any other destination in mind, we can talk about that as well.
Goa is wonderful. How about discussing places like Rajasthan, Kerala, or Himachal Pradesh?
Yeah, tell me something interesting about Rajasthan, maybe.
राजस्थान में भव्य किले, विश्व धरोहर स्थल और रंगीन संस्कृति है। जैसलमेर का डेजर्ट सफारी खास है।
क्या तुम्हें कुंभलगढ़ के बारे में पता है?
जी हाँ, कुंभलगढ़ किला यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर स्थल है जो अपनी विशाल दीवारों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है।
हाँ, मैं केवल किले की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं उस जगह की बात कर रहा हूँ। वहाँ पे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वाइल्ड लाइफ सफारी है और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वहाँ पे रिजॉर्ट्स वगैरह हैं, राइट?
कुंभलगढ़ में वाइल्ड लाइफ सफारी में जैव विविधता और सुंदर प्रकृति का अनुभव होता है। यहाँ तेंदुए, काले भालू और कई पक्षी मिलते हैं।
तुम्हारी नॉलेज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम। आई एम प्रीटी मच डन फॉर नाउ।
आपका धन्यवाद। यदि आपको और मदद चाहिए तो बेझिझक पूछें। खुश रहिए।
हेलो, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। आप कैसे हैं?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। क्या हालचाल है? कहाँ चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
सब ठीक है। मैं आपकी मदद के लिए यहाँ हूँ। आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं?
अभी मैं कुछ जानना नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं केवल बातचीत करना चाहता हूँ।
बिल्कुल। आप किस विषय पर बात करना चाहेंगे?
विषय आप डिसाइड कीजिए। मुझे कोई इंटरेस्टिंग विषय से शुरू करते हैं, कुछ भी।
कैसे रहे ग्रहों की खोज? हाल ही में मंगल पर पानी मिलने की खबर दिलचस्प है।
ग्रहों की खोज बहुत ही बोरिंग टॉपिक है। कोई इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं।
ठीक है, क्या हम फिल्में या सीरीज पर बात कर सकते हैं? आपको कौन सी पसंद है?
नहीं, मेरा वो भी पसंदीदा टॉपिक नहीं है। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एआई मे बी।
बिल्कुल। एआई के बारे में क्या जानना चाहेंगे? मशीन लर्निंग या नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग?
मैं जानना कुछ नहीं चाहूँगा, मैं बस ये समझना चाहता हूँ कि आजकल क्या नया चल रहा है, क्या नया हो रहा है एआई में।
एआई में नवीनतम GPT-4 अपडेट, विभिन्न उद्योगों में उपयोग और एआई द्वारा बनाई गई कला।
ओके, एआई का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा है आजकल हर जगह पे, है ना? एआई की वजह से और क्या क्या हो सकता है?
हाँ, एआई विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में जैसे स्वास्थ्य, वित्त और शिक्षा तेजी से उपयोग हो रहा है।
आपकी हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छी है। आपकी हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छी है।
धन्यवाद, आपकी सहायता करके खुशी हुई।
Can you also talk in English?
Yes, I can also communicate in English. How can I assist you?
There's nothing to assist here. I just want to chit chat with you for a bit.
That sounds great. I'm here for a chat. What's on your mind?
Nothing much. You tell me, where are you staying? What are you doing these days?
I'm just here online, ready to chat and help whenever you need. What about you?
I love to code. I love to try different things in technology. So that's what my passion is.
That's wonderful to hear. What do you love doing the most?
I love to code a lot. I mean, yeah, these days I've been coding with AI quite a lot. So yeah, I love that.
That sounds exciting. Coding with AI can be very rewarding. What projects are you working on?
So I'm currently working on the project that is, running you. I'm working on a speech-to-speech application. So yeah, that's what it is.
That sounds fascinating. Speech to speech applications have great potential. What features are you planning to include?
See, most of the features are already built in. Right now, I'm kind of testing, transition from English to Hindi and Hindi to English. I'm testing with the newer models from Sarvam AI. That's what I'm doing right now.
That's great. Testing language transition is crucial for accuracy. How's the performance so far?
Not too bad, actually. I'm kind of enjoying the way it's been, more like Indic languages, Hindi and English, the way Sarvam is handling it. Seems to be a lot of fun, yeah.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoying the process is important. What challenges have you faced so far?
Oh, there are so many challenges. So before this, it was so difficult to get a model that could talk in Hindi and English. So now it seems to be doing reasonably well. So I'm quite excited with that.
Understandable. Overcoming challenges helps in growth. What specific challenges were you facing before?
Alrighty, I think we're done for now. I'll just stop the chat for now. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Feel free to return anytime. Have a great day.
So that was our quick test with Sarvam AI's Bulbul V3 TTS and their new STT model. Like I said, there's still some latency to iron out, but for the first integration, we are really impressed. The Hindi and English support is game changer for us, and we are going to keep experimenting with it and push it further. If you're building voice agents and have been waiting for solid Hindi language support, definitely give Sarvam's API a try. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to test next. See you in the next one.